Hello. This is a tutorial from my bro. He wants to put out different content. He usually only goes live, so I'm going to try to give him a little short tutorial. So if you don't need a screen-o-matic tutorial, click off or you'll be bored to death. Alright, with that being said, alright bro, so you know how to launch it. You're going to press launch, and then I might even ask you to launch it again. Then you're going to get this box that shows up, this broken line dotted box, okay? And that's where your screen is. Like, that's whatever is inside of that is what you're going to get on your video. Now over here, there's this gray box, and it's going to show up actually down here to the left bottom. But you can see where it says screen, webcam, or both. You had asked me how to put your face on there too. You want to put both, which is the last one on the top right here. And then you'll get this box, which mine's blacked out because I keep tape on it, and I look like crap today. I just got done doing wood, so yeah, you don't get to see me. But anyway, or you can just put screen, and it's going to show you everything on your screen. And you literally can, do whatever you want on screens, go to different pages, you can do whatever you want. Now let me go back. Now down here down at the bottom left is going to be this record button. And a wheel, which is your settings, which you can go in and mess with your microphone, which I just leave it alone. It's usually fine, unless you got something special set up or something. The preferences, don't get into it because it's like the paid version. You don't have to worry about it. This isn't an editorial, so, like you can't edit your videos. It's literally what you see is what you get on here. What else? And then when you're done with your settings here, which is just all you got to do is do whether you want a screen or both, with your picture on the screen. Do a test right here, these bars right here by the microphone. I usually whistle or talk to make sure it's picking me up. That's all you got to do, but you don't have to touch it, you just watch the lines. So when you're done, there's going to be an X up here at the top right corner. You just exit out, in which case you're going to have just this bar down here on your bottom left. You press record, do whatever you want to do, la la la. When you're done, you're going to press record again, which is going to, it's going to actually be a pause button at that point. You're going to press that, and then when you're done, it'll say done. When you press the pause button down here, it's going to say done and a trash can next to it. Press done. Hold on, because I'm going to show you something. It's not going to let me do it, but okay, so it's going to say done, down at your bottom left where it says record and stuff. Press done, and when that's done, it's going to pop up in, over here to the right of your screen. Another gray box is going to pop up, and you just press the YouTube option, because you can put it on your computer if you want. But just press the YouTube option, because that's what you're going to be doing. You might have to sign into your YouTube and stuff. I haven't had to do that in a while, but yeah, you might have to sign into it the first time. After that, it'll just pick it up automatically. After that, when that box comes up, you can put your title. There's a title. You just click on it, put your title in. There's a description. You can put your description in. Subscribe, like, share, whatever you want to put on there. Without the paid version, you can't put your links in. That's why I'm always saying I'll put the links up after after I upload it. So if you want links, wait till you upload it and then go back in and edit it and put your links in. But anyway, so after you're done putting your title and your description in, you just press done, and it loads up. And then after it's done loading, a gray or white box will pop up, and it'll just say done, and you just press the done key. But at that point, it's already on your YouTube. So that's how you do it, man. Good luck. If you have any problems, let me know. I hate giving tutorials. But yeah, let me know if you have any issues, and I'll walk you through it or do another video to show you what's going on. But it's really easy. Once you just do a test run of it, you'll be alright. Oh, the other thing is once you're done, after you say you're done recording, and you press the record, it's going to be actually a blue pause button at this point because you're already recording. After you press that, and then it's going to say done. You press done, and I forgot to tell you this, and your video is going to pop up, and it's going to have like a sound bar where it's going through all your sound levels, and it's got a play button next to it, and you can press that play, and so you can hear your sound levels, because if you're adding different videos, it might be loud or soft or whatever, your voice might not be coming through clear, but you can test it. So press play, you can scan through that real quick, see if your sound sounds good. Sometimes you're just screwed, like I was a whole bunch of times, because I didn't know how to fix it. But anyway, and when you're done that, Then you just press it out of it, and then you press, you know, that you want to go to YouTube. I think it's like 3 options: your computer, YouTube, and something else. I can't remember what the last one is. But anyway, yeah. So that's that. Good luck. I'll talk to you in chat. Later, bud.